Merry Christmas. It's December 24th. It's about 10 p.m. Christmas Eve. We're cleaning up the last outage in my area right now. I'm going to show you guys what we're up to here in a second. It's pitch black out here, so I apologize for that. Actually, I don't have any control over that. But I want to show you guys just a quick couple shots what we got here. So we had an absolutely massive tree. That guy right in the center of the screen now. It says in the comments 3 foot diameter, and yeah, it's probably about 3 feet. It took out 2 span. There's a pole you can't see in the darkness up ahead there. It pulled that pole over. We've got my partners are up there changing the transformer, the dead end pole. It ripped the bushings right out of the transformer. So he's going to change that transformer. He's got the bigger truck. We've just got my smaller boom right here, and what we're going to be doing, this is actually something new. There was so much tension on the wire, that's 2 ACSR steel core. It jammed that steel core in that pole so hard that is not coming out. So we've got it temporarily secured right here. I'm going to release that preform, and we're going to cut that clear and put a sleeve on. We don't want the sleeve to land right on the pin here. So we're going to put a sleeve out off the side. I'm going to leave the come-alongs as this line goes for a long ways, so I don't want to rely on the tie wire to hold that line up. We'll let the come-alongs hold the weight. And once this pole is prepped and ready to go, they won't be long changing that transformer. So they'll set up at the center pole and sag up from either end at the center, which will also allow them to straighten that pole. Alright, so we've got our wire sleeved, still going to keep the tension on those come-alongs, and we just dropped it on the side of the pole. Just threw a little staple in there so it won't come off as they're sagging that up. But once that's on full tension, we'll be able to lift that up and on top of that insulator tie it in. Well guys, it's 3 a.m. on Christmas Day. Let's go for a walk, see what this transformer's feeding. It might be pretty tricky navigating through the trees here. Turn on some lights, flip that camera around. Alright, we're all lit up here now. Oh, stiff after driving for 2 hours. So there's the transformer that's open. I see some triplex coming off it. Oh man, how am I going to get through here now? You can see the wire taking off in that direction. There's definitely some trees on it. Let's see what we're getting into here. Zoom this camera out a bit. A couple trees on it there. Another pretty big tree on it there. My system isn't showing any properties or anything here. Holy, looks like a tornado blew through here. This is kind of creepy. What the heck? Man, that's crazy. What in the world is this feeding, or was it feeding? That's weird. I see a light in there. That's not creepy or nothing. Merry Christmas. lost the wire. Oh, there's the wire. Why is there a light on over here? That's really strange. I can hear the ocean. It sounds like, oh wow, the waves are really crashing down from the sounds of things. I didn't realize I was that close to the ocean. Oh, there's the wire. Over here. Another fresh break in the tree. Oh, I thought that was a light. It's a reflector. That's why it's so dim. Looks like we may have found a driveway. Or what used to be a driveway. No. Crazy. This cabin's in pretty good shape. Must be still being used. That's an active account. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can hear those waves crashing on the video here, but that's a pretty freaky sound. It's getting windy right here. Wow. Alright, back to the truck. Man, you would not want to be having a bunch of beers and stumble out of this cabin. That cliff just drops. Like I said, looks like 100 feet straight down. Crazy. Alright, let's get out of here. We won't be putting power back on tonight. Is this even... Oh, I can't see through the window. Oh, there's furniture in there, so... Alright. Oh. Maybe that's the driveway there. We'll just go back the way we came. It wasn't too bad. Oh, right there, that triplex is damaged. We'll have to... I'll probably actually come back here and cut those trees, drop them straight onto that pile of trees right there. Just notch that, drop them right straight down. But not today, definitely not today. It's pretty hard driving. We're gonna venture back into town. Hopefully no more calls come in. Christmas morning. Pretty well all of our guys are heading out of town first thing tomorrow morning. Myself and 3 other guys are gonna hold down the fort, as they say. It's been non-stop all week, so hopefully we get a bit of a break. Hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas. Probably won't get this video posted for a couple of days. supper. All the restaurants are closed in town because it's Christmas, so the boss went out and got us a whole fridge full of subs, which was pretty good thinking. Super thankful for that. So thanks, boss.